Have you ever thought about starting your own rooftop garden, creating your own lush, green oasis amidst a concrete jungle? Rooftop gardening can improve air quality, provide a tranquil retreat, and even offer a source of homegrown food. Imagine having your own private green space right on your rooftop. It's not just possible, it's simpler than you think. Before you start planting, planning is crucial. The first step to your rooftop garden is to check with your local building codes and landlord. It's essential to ensure your roof can handle the extra weight of the garden. Consider factors like proper drainage and wind exposure. Opt for lightweight containers and potting soil to reduce weight. Your plant selection should also cater to the unique conditions of a rooftop environment. With proper planning, you can overcome any rooftop gardening challenges. Once you've planned your garden, it's time to set it up. Start with installing a waterproof membrane on your roof. This protective barrier shields your roof from potential water damage. Next, lay down a root barrier. This prevents roots from penetrating your roof. After this, add a drainage layer. This ensures excess water doesn't pool and damage your plants. Remember to position your plants for optimal sun exposure. This step is key to their growth and survival. And just like that, your rooftop is ready for some greenery. Now comes the fun part, planting. Choose plants that are hardy, drought-tolerant, and suitable for your climate. Begin by setting your plants in their pots, then gently tuck them into your rooftop soil. Remember, regular watering is key, especially during warmer weather. Don't forget about weeding and pruning too. These tasks keep your garden tidy and help your plants thrive. And there you have it, the joy of gardening right on your rooftop. With regular care, your rooftop garden will thrive and become your personal green retreat. So, are you ready to elevate your green space and start your own rooftop garden? It's as easy as plan, set up, plant, and maintain. Reap the benefits of this eco-friendly trend. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!